In this video, I will show you how to return Amazon items. This should be a quick and easy tutorial to follow, but before we do continue, please consider leaving a like on the video and also subscribing to the channel. I really do appreciate it. Now, to go ahead and return items on Amazon, whether you've received an item that's faulty or you're just no longer wanting the item, the first thing you're going to want to do is come across to Amazon and log into your account. Once you've done that, what you need to do is come up and hover over your name in the top right hand corner. And what you want to do is come down on this menu and click where it says your orders. Once you've done that, it's going to bring up all your order history. What you can then do is locate the order that you want to return or replace. Before we continue, I just want to make it clear that not all items would be eligible for a refund. There are different factors for different items and different return windows. So, for example, you can see currently that there is a return available for this item because this was ordered quite recently. However, you can see on my older orders, like for example, this order here, that the return or replace items option is not actually showing. So to go ahead and continue and return your Amazon item, what you want to do is find the item to return, and then on the right hand side, you're going to see these options. You want to click onto return or replace items. Once you've done that, you just need to go through the steps. So if you've ordered a multiple quantity, you need to choose how many of that particular item you're wanting to return. Then you need to select a reason for why you're actually returning this item. So if the item was faulty, for example, we come down and select item is defective or does not work, or maybe there was missing parts, maybe it was ordered accidentally, but you just want to choose your appropriate reason from the list here. After doing this, come across to the right hand side and you're going to see how long you've got to return this item. On most items, it's generally about a 30-day window, so as long as you complete the return within 30 days, you should be able to return it and get a refund. But as mentioned, this does vary for different items. But in this case, this particular item did have a 30-day window. So what you want to do is come over to the right-hand side and click the yellow continue button once you've chosen your reason. Make sure as well to fill in the comments box down here with further information. This is something you do need to do. And once you've done that, click the continue button to the right-hand side. Then what's going to happen is they're going to give you some options. So, for example, you can see in my case, we can have it replaced with the exact same item. So if it was like something that came that was broken, then Amazon can send you a free replacement item. Or there's the option to exchange for an item of your choice, which would have to be of the same value. Of course, if you chose an item that was a bit more expensive, you'd have to cover the difference. What you can do is choose to have it refunded to your Amazon account balance or refunded to the cards that you used to pay, or whichever payment you chose to pay. So basically you want to choose what option you want to do from here, how you want to return the item and what you would like to happen. And once that's done, again, you would just come across to the right hand side and click the continue button. And once you've done that, you just need to complete the steps for Amazon to either issue you a replacement or refund the money to your account. Generally, for most of these options, if you do have to return the item to Amazon, they will send you a shipping pack, which is completely free. You don't have to pay for the shipping. And what you would do is basically pack up the item and post it back off to Amazon Returns. And once they've received it, then they would issue your refund. So that is how to return Amazon items. With that being said, I hope this quick tutorial did help you out today. And if this did help you out, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute. Thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.